Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's explore cybersecurity tools. I'm going to talk about what some are and what they do. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So in discussing these cybersecurity tools, these are some of the attacks that they guard against or protect against, right? You have malware, and malware is a malicious software designed to cause damage, disrupt operations, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Cybersecurity tools like antivirus software and sandboxing can detect and remove malware. Next, you have the denial of service, also known as DOS or DDoS attacks, right? DOS attacks aim to overwhelm a system's resources to make it unavailable to legitimate users. Firewalls and intrusion detection systems can help mitigate DOS attacks by monitoring traffic and blocking suspicious activity. Phishing, in the realm of social engineering, is the practice of sending fraudulent communications, often via email, to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. Email security tools can identify and block dangerous phishing emails. You have SQL injection, which is a technique where a malicious SQL malicious SQL statements are inserted into application queries to manipulate the database. Web vulnerability scanning tools can detect and prevent SQL injection vulnerabilities in web applications. Insider threats, while it can be kind of awkward to talk about, it is a reality, right? Insider threats refer to malicious actions by current or former employees who have inside knowledge of an organization's. Tools like multi-factor authentication and employee monitoring software can help mitigate insider threats. You have cross-site scripting, also known as XSS. XSS is a type of injection where malicious scripts are injected into trusted websites. Web vulnerability scanners can identify XSS vulnerabilities in web applications. You also have ransomware, and ransomware is a type of malware that holds data hostage by encrypting it until a ransom is paid. Antivirus software and data backups can help protect against and recover from ransomware attacks. So other common threats include worms, trojans, spyware, adware, botnets, right? So cybersecurity tools like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption software work together to provide comprehensive protection against these evolving threats. And they do evolve each year. They evolve and they evolve and they evolve. So now let's begin the cybersecurity tools exploration, right? So cybersecurity tools are designed to protect against computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. So these tools that I'm going to talk about work by employing various techniques to detect, prevent, and respond to cyber threats. So here are some key categories and examples of cybersecurity tools. So when it comes to network security monitoring tools, you have Argus, and that analyzes network data to detect network-based threats. You have Nagios, monitors network data and alerts administrators to potential threats. You have the POF, which analyzes network data to detect network-based threats. You have Splunk, which analyzes network data and logs to detect security threats. You have OSEC, which monitors network data and logs to detect security threats. Now let's get into encryption tools. You have Tor, right, which protects data by encrypting internet traffic. You have KeePass, which encrypts and manages passwords securely. You have Vericrypt, encrypts data on storage devices. NordLocker encrypts data on storage devices. AxeCrypt encrypts data on storage devices. TrueCrypt encrypts data on storage devices. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Now let's get into web vulnerability scanning tools. You have Burp Suite, which scans web applications to identify security vulnerabilities. Nikto, which scans web applications to identify security vulnerabilities. Paris Proxy scans web applications to identify security vulnerability. SQL Map scans web applications to identify SQL injection vulnerabilities. Penetration testing tools, you have Metasploit, simulates attacks on computer systems to evaluate security. Kali Linux, our favorite, an open source Linux distribution for penetration testing. NetSparker simulates attacks on web applications to evaluate security. Wireshark analyzes network traffic to detect security threats. Antivirus software. You have Norton 360, detects and removes malware from devices. Bitdefender Antivirus detects and removes malware from devices. Norton Antivirus detects and removes malware from devices. Kaspersky Antivirus detects and removes malware from devices. McAfee Total Protection detects and removes malware from devices. Network intrusion detection tools, right? You have Snort. Monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. Security Onion monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. SolarWinds Security Event Manager monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. Same things, right? But you know, whatever floats your boat. Kismet monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. Zeek monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. And then you have packet sniffers. Which one of those is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. So packet sniffers, one of the most popular and well-respected ones is Wireshark, which analyzes network traffic to detect security threats. TCP dump analyzes network traffic to detect security threats. WinDump analyzes network traffic to detect security threats. Firewall tools, you have Toughen, manages firewall security. AlgoSec manages firewall security. All these manages firewall security. You have AlgoSec, Fireman, Red Seal. And then let's get into managed detection services. SiteLock analyzes and detects cyber threats. SolarWinds Security Event Manager, not only it does what we just talked about, but it also analyzes and detects cyber threats. So here are the ones that analyzes and detects cyber threats, right? You have Hemdall Security, Wireshark, and then that word again, guys. There's that word again, Nagios. Nagios. Am I saying it right, guys? Please roast me in the comment section. You have cybersecurity monitoring tools. You have SiteLock, SolarWinds Security Event Manager. That's kind of like a, you know, SolarWinds does a lot, that event manager tool. Hemdall Security, Wireshark, right? Because it analyzes and detects cyber threats. A lot of these do different things, but they also do the same things, right? I guess it's whatever you feel is best for you. Other tools that can make this list is John the Ripper, that tests password strength. Hashcat, which cracks passwords. TCP dump, which analyzes network traffic. Snort monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. ICMP, which sends IP operations information and generates messages. You have the Cisco Discover protocol, which facilitates management of Cisco devices. Thousand Eyes Synthetics detects network application performance issues. Now let's get into a little bit of network security categories. You have firewalls that monitor, you know, and filter incoming and outgoing traffic. Reverse firewalls monitor and sanitize outgoing traffic. Intrusion prevention systems monitor traffic and take action against malicious traffic. Security information and event management, also known as the SIEM, analyze and respond to security threats. You have the VPNs, virtual private networks, which establishes secure connections between network devices. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Once again, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you in the next video.